Do you know that there are artificial trees now whereby the leaves on it are actually artificial, or like wind vanes, whereby you can use to power, you can use as electric supply for homes or for an event, or wherever you can provide the tree. An artificial tree can provide electricity for your houses anytime. Or that there's a type of leather now that is made from the leaves of pineapple, which is really really insane, because made it from the leaf of pineapple and you get something similar and much more eco-friendly than leather, and which will also help us to stop killing animals to make leather, which is really, really good. But there are still 10 more gadgets that will make, or 10 more solutions that will make this planet a really really greener planet. The Nibia Mwen is a shower, but Nibia Mwen, what it does is really really cool, because when you are taking your bath, it gives out water in smaller drops, and once it gives out water in smaller drops, you may be like it might not be enough for you, but the other advantage is that it releases it out in a much more higher force, which is makes now much more convenient for you to take your bath with just a little amount of water. There are some solutions you might not expect to see, like the poop paper. The poop paper is a new solution for making paper using elephant dung, and that one elephant dung is dried, processed, and heated with sun or heated with heat, it can later then be converted to paper, which we can use at any time we want. Eco capsule is more like one of the cheapest houses you can buy now for just 50,000 euros. And the reason why it is so good is because it is more like a tent, can accommodate two people, more like a private lounge hotel, and it's also really really solar efficient and runs on its own. And since because it's a small capsule, you can control all the power sources of your house with just a single app. Home biogas is a new gadget that is more like a tent you put at the outside of your house, and all the waste food you've eaten, dirt that can decay, you pour it inside, connect your gas hose to it, because after it decays it produces the methane gas, and once you connect your gas hose to it, you can use it as food gas, as cooking gas for your arc light. Is a new gadget that eliminates traditional lighters because it uses electricity and just makes two sparks of high volt electricity at the tip. Glowing plant is using the enzymes in fireflies and adding it to plants to make them to make them suck in all the carbon dioxide in the air more, and also release more oxygen for all of us to have a good breath. Li-Fi is a new gadget that is really really going to take over the world. I don't know how soon, but really really going to take over the world, because now with Li-Fi you cannot just only connect to internet, but you can connect to internet with lights. Just with lights you can connect to the internet better. So solar panel stickers works like this. You take your solar panel, but they are much more thinner than a human strand of hair, and since they are much more thinner, they are much more efficient and much more powerful than cumbersome solar panels that we use at home. Lab grown wood is not like just like what it sounds like, but more like tweaking the DNA of a tree, putting it in an underplant that can go faster, just taking out the exchange from the main tree, putting the lab grown meat, just add a little bit of chemicals, add a little bit of addition, make it more nutritious for us to use, and it grows and still much more sustainable for us rather than killing the animals or innocent animals. Subscribe for more tech gadgets information, and I'll catch you guys in the very next one. Bye.